Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. As always, thanks so much for stopping by. I really appreciate that you spend your time watching my videos and all of the support that you give me. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you think you are, double check to make sure, because YouTube spontaneously unsubscribes people. Hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm pretty excited about what we got going on today. First of all, because I'm relatively close to real time with something that's more of a travel video. And secondly, just because it was a whole lot of fun. So I'm going to go visit Las Vegas, and I'm going to travel by walking in just a few minutes from, well, walking, and there's a little bit of driving involved too, but mostly walk from Las Vegas, New Mexico to Durant, Wyoming, and then we're going to take a little drive to go check out Calumet, Colorado. How do we do this? Come along and find out. Stay tuned all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you some posters that might help to make some of this stuff a little bit more familiar. And if you haven't figured it out, we're in Las Vegas, New Mexico, and we're visiting movie locations that have been shot in this area. Pretty fun. We'll see you on the other side of the intro. Well, on the one hand, you could say that we're in Las Vegas, New Mexico, as evidenced by the Las Vegas Police Department right there. Scanning around. Really cool buildings here. We're going to take a little bit of a walk around and show you some of what's here. But what's going to be really cool about this is, not there, Kit. Come on, come with me. Is not only are we visiting Las Vegas, New Mexico, but walk-ins and appointments for haircuts. I could use a haircut. We got boots here, but we're also going to be visiting an entirely different state as we're walking around this plaza. And I have to say, in some ways, this is the least attractive side of this plaza. But there's a couple of cool looking buildings down here, so let's get a look at these. See if I can get back far enough to get a look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. That's pretty cool down there. Yeah, very cool. We're gonna keep on going. Yeah, the parking here is pretty interesting. It's back in on the building side and parallel on the street side. Check this out. Cry to the Ages. Sculpture carved by Christopher Branchal, July 22nd, 2024. Check it out. Very cool. All right, we're gonna let Kit do his thing for a moment here. Come on, Kit. We got Plaza Drugs down there. Look at this beautiful day, guys. This is just gorgeous. We got another sculpture over here I want to check out. Got Chocolate on the Walk. At least that's what we called it in Tehachapi. I don't know what they call it here. And here's another sculpture to check out. Oh, and there's Kit. Check out Kit, because he's cute. This is the city of Las Vegas, and Margarito Armandragon sculptor. Dedicate this sculpture in honor of Nuestra Senora de los Dolores to Our Lady of Sorrow Parish and Mothers Against Drunk Drivers, July 21st, 2012. Okay, and there's another sculpture over there, but it's got a little dog nearby, so we're going to avoid that one, I think. But we got this big tall guy over here by the gazebo, and it looks like they're setting up to play some music in the park here. So that's pretty cool. Check out this side of the plaza and the iconic Plaza Hotel. All right, let's check this guy out. He's got a support in his spine. He's a tall one. Yes, he is. El Campesino. Peter E. Lopez, sculptor dedicated to farm workers, San Ysidro, and the Tri-County Farmers Market, May 14th, 2013. Okay, good to know. Where was what?
The door, where was it?
Over here. The walkway leads right to it. Plaza Hotel is pretty daggone cool looking. Looks like they got some food trucks setting up. Hey kid, leave it. So, I told you that we were going to be leaving Las Vegas, New Mexico, and we're about to do that. Right here, kid.
So this is the famous hotel in town, and this is where we just from No Country for Old Men. Alright, so we're coming up on the main door.
So we're about to leave Las Vegas, New Mexico behind, and we're going to Absaroka County in Durant, Wyoming. And this is where the office for Sheriff Longmire was located. Sorry. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we can't see, barely. So those steps lead up to the sheriff's office through those doors right there. I thought the steps were even taller, but you know, things always look different on TV. So there's Rob taking a look at the door we just walked away from, and right next to it is El Zocalo Gallery, art and jewelry, with a sign that says, "Welcome, Longmire fans." And even though it was brightly painted in yellow, I tripped over the step anyway. Go figure. And then we've got antiques and stuff down here.
Of course, please do. We're a co-op. We're local artists from around the area, and we all take turns. So some of us.
So are you one of the artists?
I am.
Can you be on my YouTube channel?
And mine.
Oh my God! Oh, I don't do this. Yeah, these are.
So tell us who you are, and I actually going to move around because the sun is behind you, so I want them to see you. There we go.
Perfect.
And I'm standing right in front of my art. How
Wow,
funny!
wow.
And what's your name?
My name's Dale Tosi.
And what is your preferred medium?
My preferred medium is whatever my hands tell me what to do. I've just started painting on old metal from the hot springs up here, which that one is done on.
Nice.
That was from the fire when the horses were all evacuated to Santa Fe. And ink, I love to paint with ink. I like to mix it up. I like to use recycled things. So I've collected wrapping paper and tissue paper my whole life, and I try to incorporate them into the paintings.
I happen to be the CEO for the Tehachapi Arts Commission in Tehachapi, California.
I know where that is.
Do you?
Yeah.
I used to live there.
When I go see my grandchildren, I drive through there.
Cool. Where are your grandchildren?
San Luis Obispo County.
Okay. Out there in Slow.
Templeton.
Yeah, nice. I no longer live there. I sold my house finally after being on the road for several years. Just sold it a couple weeks ago. But I'm still involved with the Arts Commission, and we put on an art show every year in July, specializing in Western artists, and it's representational fine art. We do a plein air event in May and so forth. But we also have a co-op in Tehachapi called the Tehachapi Valley Arts Association, and they run Gallery and Gifts. And I think similar to what you do, the artists rotate their times in the gallery and shop. So how many artists are part of your co-op?
You know,
Roughly.
we vacillate, and we have full artists, people that come in and work, and then we have people that can sign that used to be full members, and because of health issues,
Right.
family issues, you name it, we rotate out and they're consigners. At different levels as to who can put in the time and who can't.
And approximately how often do you work?
Depending on the membership. We had some health issues last month, so I worked 5.5 days, which
Gotcha.
was a lot.
So if somebody wanted to find your art and didn't have the opportunity to come to Las Vegas, New Mexico, or Absaroka County in Wyoming, which is the same place, guys, where might they be able to find you? Any place else?
We try to keep our webpage, our online page going. That is also kind of a work in progress at all times.
Stop.
And but Zocalo.com, and people can see some of our art. I don't even know what's on there right now.
And it's Zocalo.
Calo,
Okay.
Zocalo, which is the meeting hub, the meeting place.
Cool, very, very cool. All right, so we'll put that in the description down below so you can go check it out if you want to see more. And thank you so much for taking your time with us today. I appreciate it.
We'll enjoy our little town. We're going to have a wonderful celebration in the park here.
It looks like getting set up for, yeah.
We've always got some great northern New Mexican music.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
people will fill the park and enjoy.
Thank you so much. So we've seen it from the outside. I want to take a look at the inside and take a look at the lobby.
Obviously, it's a dog-friendly hotel.
Not loving the metal grate kit. That's a big one. Did you want to say?
How we do. Let's see how we do.
Did you want? Are you okay, kid? You want to say hi? Hi, baby boy, girl, boy.
Boy, and he's up for adoption if you're looking for a big boy to take home.
No, I've got the little
Yeah.
boy.
They might, it's kind of a Mutt and Jeff, they might do.
Well, I live full time in a 172 square foot RV,
Yes.
so
That is, that,
yeah,
yes.
How long would that be?
26 feet.
Good one.
Not really. That's pretty small, which is why I have a small dog. I'd only ever had big dogs before.
How long have you been traveling in?
Coming up on almost 3 years.
You enjoying it still?
Oh yeah, yeah. In fact, so we walked in the lobby, as you can tell from looking at it backwards. We didn't get real far. We got stopped by Blake up in the front there. But look at these steps going up. How cool is this? Very, very cool. Looks like they got a gift shop back here, and there's the front desk. More antiques, and then we're parked over there. Pretty cool, worth checking out. So I thought we were coming to take a picture of the Calumet mural from the Red Dawn movie. And we are, but that's not it. Let's look up above here, where the Great Plains meet the mighty Rockies. So Calumet is a fictional town in Colorado. And to wrap this up, these are some of the movie posters that are posted in the Plaza Hotel. Here's Longmire from the TV series approaching the door. And then we've got No Country for Old Men, which was filmed in the hotel in part. Vampires, I'd forgotten about that one. A fun John Carpenter movie. The Gregorio Hotel, which I've never heard of. And here we are checking out Calumet sign as it appears today and as it appeared in the movie. Pretty cool. Thanks for coming along on our tour of 3 states in 15 minutes today. And just as the Plaza in Las Vegas obviously appreciates their citizens, once again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks so much for spending your time watching my videos. See you next time.